Hey, Jimmy from Cuff and Stuff. Well, today we got another good one for you. This is gonna be interesting. This is a Spam and cheese sandwich. So we're gonna bring you back in a minute and crank this thing off. So hang tight. Okay, the list of ingredients on what we're going to use for this is very small. We're going to start with a regular can of Spam. We're going to use sliced mild cheddar cheese, a little bit of butter, and this is olive oil and sea salt butter, some bread, and this is something brand new. This is a new shake from Uncle Steve's Shake. This is the sweet and spicy or spicy R shake. This is something brand new that Uncle Steve's come up with. He sent us some to try. So thank you, Uncle Steve, for sending this to us and letting us try this. First thing we're gonna do is open the can up. For all you preppers out there, this stuff probably lasts 100 years. And this is something in South Carolina we've been eating forever. And that's the easy way to just get it out. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take this nice sharp slicing knife, and we're going to cut some very thin slices. And since we're going to cut the whole thing, we're going to slice it up and use the entire piece. And we want them all fairly close to the same size, so when we cook them, they'll all cook about the same time. And there we go. We got that sliced up. Okay, the next thing, we're going to take these and I'm going to lay them out on the plate. See how many of these I can get. I would love to be able to get all of them on here, but I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do that. Pretty close. All right. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take Uncle Steve's Shake and we're going to put a nice little coating on all of these. And Uncle Steve says you can put his shake on anything. I tasted this and man, it tastes good. I think that's gonna make this good stuff. All right, so let's let this sit just for a little bit. We're gonna go out and get the grill ready and we'll bring you back. Okay, well, let's start off with a nice little size chunk of butter here. Get the griddle nice and buttered up here. Okay, let's start laying the Spam down. Get our pieces on. Just each done. And you see we've got them cut into 12 equal pieces. This is our little Blackstone. This is sort of the small one. This isn't the tailgate model, but this is big enough for what we use. Okay, so we're going to take individual slices that we've halved, and we're going to put them right on top of the Spam here. If I figured right, 6 pieces half, be one for all of them. And we're going to turn the heat down and close up the lid and let that cheese melt. Okay, looks like our cheese has melted pretty good on these. Let's take them up. This smells pretty good. I'm sure that shake has something to do with it. All right, there we go. Finish here. We got 2 pieces of bread we buttered up. Let's put them on and let them toast. Let's turn them over. Oh yeah. Let them toast a little on that side. And we'll take them in. Let's put this thing together. All right, I personally on this like 2 different condiments. One of them is just plain yellow mustard. So let's put a little yellow mustard on it. This is one that Josh and Babe turned me on to. This is Kewpie mayonnaise. This is a Japanese mayonnaise. Now that's sort of bad for a southerner not to be using Dukes, and there's Dukes in the refrigerator, but I'm going to use this. I like the way this tastes. So let's put a little Kewpie on him. And let's get a couple of pieces of cheese and put on him. Let's just make it pretty. Just cut it like this. Well, there's only one thing left to do with this Spam and cheese sandwich. Let's take a big bite. You know, that's actually very good. And that shake, boy, it adds a touch to it. I'm going back for another. Okay. Well, there it is, a Spam and cheese sandwich. I couldn't believe how good it is. And with that new sweet and spicier shake from Uncle Steve's, man, hats off to you, Uncle Steve. You got another winner there. If you haven't already, hit this subscribe button over here. We'll have another video for you over here. Until next time, hang tight.